Hi there! Good to see you again. I am here in Chandler, Arizona, and we did this awesome barn door for this gal. We actually did 2 barn doors for this gal in her house, and this is door number 1. This is a typical bathroom door, and we put some glass in the top that the client wanted to see if there's someone in the bathroom, lights on, but it still blocks out a lot of that darkness. So really like it's frosted glass. It's frosted on both sides in there. We framed that all in. So beautiful barn door. That silver gray wood that we got, and then a rail, black barn door, black stay roller. So that is barn door number 1. We'll walk around here and we'll look at barn door number 2. So right here they had a washer dryer unit with the bifold doors, and so what we did is we took those bifold doors off, hung a 10-foot rail up, and then put this beautiful stacked wood barn door up on here. So this door has a plywood core, has stacked wood on both sides, and then that hides the laundry that's in there. It's also a nice little sound deadener from what it was before. You could see the track from the old bypass or the old bifold doors. Again, 10-foot rail. This door probably weighs 200 pounds, and it's into studs. The rail's into studs. Got the stay roller, which keeps it from flapping around. So that is barn door number 2. If you're interested in the barn door for yourself, look me up on Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, all at Eden Down Home. So thank you. Bye.